So you need after that. So this is a two piece of these things. Okay, you need to circle, do circle like this. Again, make two circle.
Yes, sir.
It should be same size. Both are okay.
Yes, sir.
And I'm using this tool first to make it in down like this, and we are making the using this tool. If you have this tool, otherwise you can do with this in finger. Okay,
I don't have this.
okay, you can use this. Yeah, so you can add this here. Okay, one, and you need this stick. This is to stick. Sometimes first sticks important because you are add with this. Okay, the toothpick you add with this too, so it's not going out. Yeah, fine. You have it. You use this toothpick. Okay, and the another here also I make first circle and then I do like this. Okay, and then use this tool.
It's like a monkey lollipop.
Yeah, and add these two tools over here. Okay, this two here attach with this. Okay, slowly attach with this. Okay, monkeys.
Try monkey lollipop.
Mhm.
Yes, sir, I did the use.
Yeah. Wow, that's very good. I love it. You got that? Yeah. Wow, very good. Just make it now. We should do here the nose. So for here I need one thing, very small pieces of red, and do like this.
Okay.
This. Okay. And here in the top of it, you put some small black like this. Okay, like this. Right? Yeah, very good. Nose, yes, it's for nose. And we are making the mouth after that. So mouth is very easy. Mouth is just make it cut the like this.
Yes, sir. See,
Oh, nice. We are make this. Okay, see, we are using the mouth like this. Yes, better. First make this one the for mouth, and then after you are take little this piece that much. Okay, and you just do this like a mouth. See, I just add this.
Nice.
Nice, no?
Very funny.
Very funny. Yes, like this. Okay, make like this. Yes, good ideas. Hmm. Hmm. So you can make this as after that.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. It's so cute. Like you are making the leg and hand. How what I do? Just take this one and do like this with your hand. Make like this. Okay, this one side is like this. So what is happening if you are do like this? So you can easily can add it like see you can add it its backside like this. You can add with you merge it here. So it will stay here. Okay. So I add one hand. Four pieces are almost the same. So I make it another like this. Okay, it should be just like a leg like this. And make here also, add over here also. Take your character and join this.
Sir, I finished.
You are finished also.
No.
Oh, that's nice. Sambhavi finish.
Can I end the class?
Yeah, first you show me beta.
Yes, I showed you.